We're always full of surprises here at Palm Harbor, Odessa. I've already done a walkthrough on this home, but I did a walkthrough without any furniture. Well, guess what? We got it furnished now. Now you can really see what it's like living in the home. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and we are the big dogs of Texas, Palm Harbor, Odessa, and we carry the best single wides guarantee affordable. So stay tuned, guys, and take a walk with me on this home. So how many people do a walkthrough on a single wide and actually have it furnished, especially as nice as this? And we don't just furnish it just because we want to sell it. We furnish it because we display it and we want you to see what it's like living in it. And I want to share some things that some big pointers. It's got a lot of lighting here, which has what we call transom windows. It has shelves on each end and plenty of space to put a huge flat TV, and you can put all the other items that you need to put under there. Everything's hidden, everything's uniform. And look at the way this furniture and the way this is laid out. Can you picture yourself living in this home? I guarantee you could. And guess what? It's affordable. I always say that word because we're affordable. We make sure we bring you the right home at the right price. Look how big this island is with a deep end farm sink. It's got whirlpool, appliances, dishwasher, overhead microwave, flat range, electric range, and something you don't see in a lot of single wides, a beautiful counter with a lot of space and a huge window. No wasted space. You have plenty of space to do whatever. And guess what? The microwave is already over the electric range. So what else would go here? The items that really matter to you. You got plenty of space in this kitchen with beautiful lighting fixtures, modernized over the island. I want to take you over here to the master and show you how we're getting everything done here. It's barely in the process, but you could still get an idea of what this home looks like. Beautiful home, plenty of space to put a king size bed and furnishing that you want. You could put right here a nightstand, plenty of space. So this is just giving you an idea of what our home looks like. The shower, as I've shown you before, big walk-in shower, black fixtures, beautiful tub. By the way, this tub, you go price it, go see what they try to charge. There's something ridiculous. Some people want to charge $10,000 to remodel just the tub area. No, you're getting all this in an affordable home. Think about that with a his and her sink. Now, all these beautiful beams that are going here, that's just giving the house more character, beautiful lighting. Why not give you a beautiful home that you can afford and have people come in and really see, wow, the value that you got, enjoy it for your life. And also you could be an empty nester, first time buyer, somebody just tired of renting. Bedroom 2, you got the bathroom, utility in the hallway, something very unique and different, gives you more space in the bedrooms. And look at the size of this beautiful bedroom here. Walk-in closet, guys. So I'll let you know, as soon as that master bedroom gets furnished and completed, I will be doing another video because I like to show you more and more about what we do with our homes. And this is a display model. You can choose your colors or you can take this home, however you like. And this home is something that interests you, but you just want to get something a little bit less expensive. We also have single wide starting with $1,500 down and $59,900. That's right, $59,900. That's $59,900, 3 bedrooms by single wide, or you want something like this in upscale for a little few thousand more. Come and see Moises here at Palm Harbor, Odessa, 6700 Andrews Highway here in Odessa, Texas, 432-653-5001, or visit us at www.odessa.palmharbor.com. If I'm busy, my team is always here. They know exactly what we do, what our goal in mind is, and that's to get everybody in a quality family built dream home and be part of Palm Harbor, Odessa family, guys. Thank you.